Hey guys, TechDimension with a quick fix video for you guys. Now, if your iPhone XR series is frozen, stuck, or unresponsive, you want to follow this one quick tip that will get you back up and running in a minute. So first thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button. We're going to press and release the volume up and then press and release the volume down quickly one after another, and then hold this side button until the screen goes completely black. And once I see the Apple logo up here, I let go of that side button. So it's going to be volume up, volume down, and then you hold that side button down. Now for this method, you don't have to touch the screen at all. Just keep on holding that side button after you press and release the volume up and volume down quickly. And then as you can see here, the screen went black, which is fine. You're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, and we let go of that side button, and all that is doing is shutting down the phone software and reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue, which most likely is the case, where the iPhone was frozen, stuck, or unresponsive, it'll fix that problem for you. And now this method is completely safe. You will not lose any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps will all be on your phone, and you should be up and running after you do this method. And I hope this quick video is helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.